It's Thursday. That means we are back in Lynn Matava's kitchen. Lynn is a nutrition educator with the University of Maryland Extension. And if you're looking for a unique way to incorporate beets into your diet, then Lynn has the recipe for you. Let's check it out.
So I want to talk to you today about beets. Now I know that beets are not everyone's cup of tea, but these things are so nutrient dense and they have a lot of a very wide range of health benefits that it's worth giving them a second look. So beets are in season this time of year. It's early spring, and you can tell that these are in season. They're also going to be in season in the late summer, early fall when it's cooler out. But these greens on top are so beautiful, which is what made me buy them. I was in the store and I just saw these big bright beets and then the really healthy leaves on top, and we're going to use both of them. I'm actually going to put on gloves because these suckers will actually very much stain everything. The good news is if you use a little bit of oxygenated cleaner, it'll get everything out of your clothes, but I just don't want my hands to be pink all day. And I'm just going to cut one of these off to show you. And you can see how bright and red that is. We want to peel it. So at this point, this beet is completely edible. It is cleaned, it's been peeled, it's ready to munch on if you wanted to slice it into sticks. Today, I'm just chopping these up. What we're going to do is we are going to put these on a pan, toss them in a little bit of oil. I wanted to show you, I think this is kind of one of the coolest things. We are actually going to cook these leaves. These are edible as well. You can eat these raw, sliced up. They taste a lot like the beet, but kind of like a green. You may have seen these even in a salad mix in a much smaller size. That's usually when people eat them raw, is when they're kind of at their baby size. But you can, these nice red veins and everything, they've got lots of antioxidants too, and a lot of the benefits of eating a dark leafy green. So that's what we're gonna do here. We're going to chop up the greens and throw them in a pan and make a little bit of a salad to put our beets on top of. Now these are pretty small, so I'm just, no real rhyme or reason, just kind of cutting them into pieces that are around the same size as each other. Now I rinse these really well because again, they could have some earth on there too, a little bit of soil. And then we're going to use this side as well, because anytime you're cooking greens, they shrivel up quickly in the heat. Just going to put a little bit of oil on them, just a little bit. And I'd already put some in the pan prior to starting there. These aren't going to take long. I'm just trying to wilt them. Fact. What I'm going to do here is just squeeze a little bit of orange on them, brighten them up a bit. And these are ready to come off of this heat already. Let me get this out of our way. So now all we want to do is plate our salad. We could wait for this to cool and actually put some mixed greens under this, just your regular salad greens, to give it even more layering for a salad. But these are nice and hot and we don't want to wilt a salad right now. I'm just going to take those beets that we roasted earlier and sprinkle them over everything. Quick and easy. Because we did put the orange juice in there, I am going to add some orange segments just for a little bit extra flavor and brightness, and kind of to give it some interesting depth of flavor. And I've got some cheese. And that's it. Just like that, we have a salad that's something a little bit different to try. It's a just great way to bring in the flavors of spring And I hope this gives you some, ideas in the kitchen, and it's inspired you to give beets a chance.
Now, as a reminder, we do have all of nutrition educator Lynn Matava's tips and tricks on our website. Just head to 47abc.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.